city lights, the Basque Tech Summit, calling me back to where the mountains kiss the sky. Oh, what a sight. In 2024, it's coming around again, a unique event in the Basque country. 2 days of tech where we meet old friends. In AECO's world, we'll set our minds free. We're gonna talk about digital transformation, technology's latest innovations. Being in the fields of architecture and construction, bringing buildings and infrastructure to life's foundation. Collaboration's key in this industry of ours. Leaders unite, asset management in tow, networking under the stars, creating connections that shine, make us glow. A platform so dynamic, so bright, sharing revolutionary ideas, lighting up the night. GIS and CIM fill our sight. We're paving the future, making it right. We're gonna talk about digital transformation, technology's latest innovations. Beyond in the fields of architecture and construction, bringing buildings and infrastructure to life's foundation. Tech minds gather under the Spanish sun. From dawn to dusk, the ideas will run. Some talk codes, some build dreams. In the heart of Basque, we weave tech schemes. We're gonna talk about digital transformation, technology's latest innovations. Beaming in the fields of architecture and design. 2 days in 2024, we'll share our minds. We'll sip our coffee under ancient trees, discussing tech's role in society's needs. With old friends and new, we'll find a way to mold tomorrow from the clay of today. In AECO's world, we'll sketch, draft, and build, from high-rise towers to cozy little hills. A symphony of data, plans, and dreams. In the Basque country, nothing's as it seems. We're gonna talk about digital transformation.